Fold one yellow pipe cleaner in half. Cut into 2 equal pieces. Take a new yellow one, wrap the 2 pieces around its center. Smooth both sides down, wrap tightly to secure. Shape into a petal. Make 3 small petals this way. Take one yellow pipe cleaner, wrap 3 half pieces around its center. Smooth both sides down, wrap tightly to secure. Make 5 large petals this way. Glue 3 small petals to the top of a stem first. Then glue 5 large petals around them. Cut 2 green pipe cleaners into 5 pieces of 10 centimeters each. Fold at 4 centimeters, leave 0.5 centimeters short end. Cross and twist tight. Shape into sepals. Make 5 total. Fold 1 green pipe cleaner, cross and twist at 4 centimeters. Pull one through the center. Cross 2 and twist tight. Make 3 leaves, trim edges. Assemble with floral tape. Glue 5 sepals to the bottom of the rose. Wrap the stem with floral tape. Add leaves at about 5 centimeters. Finish wrapping the whole stem.